Hello YouTube, hello YouTube. Hi, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. I want to let you know here, we're cleaning all of Harrisburg. That's right, Harrisburg, Lancaster, and York. If you're seeing this video and you like what you see, go ahead and give us a call. It's down in the description. Now, as you can see, we're here at our warehouse right here. This is about 200,000 square feet. To get an idea, it's about the size of a Walmart. That's right. Now, we only do commercials on Saturdays or on the weekend. Why? Because everyone else is not here. As you can see, we're totally empty, all right? Dead, lights are already off. All right, but what we're done here is we're going to get these floors. We service this every month. He's got this junk here. Okay, we're going to get all that stuff up and get these wood off the floor. Today we're going to be using a giant machine. First time around we did this, if you watched the videos in the past, we used an electric machine. Found out that's not going to be most efficient for us. Okay, so we switched it over. Got this giant machine, propane. All right, and this is going to definitely get the job done. All right, we're looking at efficiency. That's what makes us, a little bit different. All right. Also, we don't own this piece of equipment here, but all the piece of equipment and every other video you see, we do own. Which gives us a great pricing for you. If you're watching this video and you want to know how we come up with different things. All right, so we don't have to rent every machine. We own it. Everything's, the cost is already taken care of. So at this point here, we're just making the costs more effective for everyone else. So you got an idea of what we're doing here. We're doing this the main floors, not getting into aisles or anything. We got some things to move, as you can see, a couple of, I don't know what you call these, ladders here on wheels. Obviously this aisle we won't be able to go down. We'll reverse it, but you'll see what we're going to get into here to show how we get this done. Stay tuned.
Boss holes, let's go and get it from the power balls. Look at this thing move. Look how quick we're going. It's about 15 miles an hour. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that fast. But listen, that's what we're here for, efficiency, okay? All right? You want to get in, you want to get out. And do it the job right. Let's go ahead and fill this thing up. Woo! Let me use a knob here. Got the knob. Feel like I'm driving truck again. Got a knob here.
You see, we got the machine up. It's all filled up with the water. I want to tell you how this works, okay? So there's some brushes up underneath here, all right? The brushes go ahead and collect all the little dirt, loose stuff. You can see them over there, the blue little things there. They collect it. The squeegee goes down, lays down water and cleans, and then sucks it up. We got two squeegees, one here on the sides, one big one on the back, large motor, and suction here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing clean. Stay tuned with us.
All right, you can see already the difference in the floor.
All right, we already went on that side. We're going the opposite side now. Taking our time, getting all the edges here. So we're gonna go on this side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get off and move all this stuff to the other side.
See this video? You see I'm going backwards. That's right. Why are we going backwards? Well, because we can't make a turn down this aisle, but we cannot miss any part of this floor. Why can't we miss any part of the floor? Well, because we measured this part, so the customer's paying for it. Therefore, we're going to make sure we hit every piece of equipment. Now, I'm backing up, and the reason why I'm backing up is because we cannot turn around in this area. So we want to make sure we hit every area, every piece of the floor, even if we have to go backwards. Now, I'm telling you this makes us a little different from everyone else. You make sure that you're getting what you're paying for. Let's do it. Beautiful result.
An update here. So, I mean, as you can see the difference in the floor. Area we didn't get next to. We're going to hit that again, or no, not again, but we're going to hit that. And as you see, we got these aisles. We're on the other part of the warehouse. We got the other side of the dock here. Got there. Well, I had the guys move all that stuff over to the right so we can get the other aisle, but it's coming along great.
You can just see the floor. Getting all that dust. Main thing we're here for is the wood inside the cracks. You can see all the cracks inside this entire warehouse are all clear. All cleared and clean. All right, let's get back to it. All right, we are in the newer part of the warehouse. As you can see the floor difference. And if you pay attention here in the new area, the cracks are all filled. That's what we're mainly here to get, these cracks in the wood up. The cracks are faintly filled, so this is a great time over here. You see we're just going ahead doing the floors. We're getting a large aisle here. Really hard to tell where I already went and hit. I hit these areas over here. You can see it a little bit shinier, not as dusty. All right. Like I said, these floors are great. And looks like somebody cleared the aisle. All right. Well, someone cleared the aisle. All right, so we're going to walk in this large main section here. That here. Come back around. We might as well go this way. Taking a final ride through. Aisles are looking great. We already did this side over here, so no need to go through there. I know that looks good. Got the light flashing going here. There's the floor. Now we started this job at 10 a.m. It is now 3, or I'm sorry, 1 o'clock. We did it in about 3 hours. Now, like I said, it's our 3rd time here. We do this once a month. And we do all our commercials on the weekends. So if you happen to like what you see how efficient, see how clean, and how fast we get it done. That way you can resume work, have no issues or problems. I'm going to continue to show the whole area because we're all finished. We're going to wrap this up and head on home. Stay tuned for the next video.